Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you through depositing Pi tokens to the OKX exchange. To start, open your OKX wallet app and head to the Home tab. From there, tap on Deposit, then select Deposit Crypto. On the next screen, hit the search bar and type in P. If it's in your recent searches, you can select it from there. Otherwise, find PI in the list and choose the Pi network option. Tap to proceed. Due to regulations, you'll need to specify the sender. If you're in the EU, select My Private Wallet if you're depositing to yourself, or choose someone else's wallet if applicable. I'm sending to myself, so I'll pick my private wallet and tap Continue. Next, you'll see the option to deposit your Pi tokens. Swipe right to proceed. You can also check the estimated arrival time and minimum deposit amount here. Once you swipe, your Pi deposit address will appear. Tap Copy Pi to save it to your clipboard. Now open your Pi app, go to Transfer or Send Crypto, and paste the copied address into the wallet address field. Enter the amount you want to send, then hit Confirm to complete the deposit to OKX. That's how you transfer Pi tokens to OKX. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.